MSA Paraclete's releasable modular vest with patented single-point release system is a proven lifesaver made for today's tactical warrior. Easily adaptable to left or right-handed operation, the single-point release system allows instant disassembly for emergency escape or medical attention. Constructed of mil-spec 1000 denier nylon, the RMV features MOLLE webbing for hardware-free attachment, a comprehensive system of add-on pouches and accessories, and a modular back panel that zips on and off in seconds to enable fast, individualized mission or agency-specific reconfiguration. Hook and pile closure offers rapid access to internal soft and hard armor pouches. The RMV accepts front and rear rifle plates and have built-in side pouches for 6x6 hard plates. All Paraclete armor is certified to NIJ standard 0101.04. Rear panel shoulder straps are equipped with protective tunnels to keep communication cables and hydration tubes secure. Hook and pile closure allows easy access for equipment changes. Shoulder adjustment belts are ergonomically curved with rolled edges toward the neck for comfort. The outer face of each adjustment belt has 4 male snap fasteners to help customize the fit of the garment. MSA Paraclete's patent-pending exact match MOLLE webbing is compatible with military-issue MOLLE and spear pockets, pouches, and other attachments. The modular back panel, carrier body, and external cummerbunds are striped with MOLLE webbing for custom equipment placement. The elastic internal cummerbund helps stabilize the garment in action. Both internal and external cummerbunds are adjustable for a snug, comfortable fit. Unzip the external cummerbund and release it from the front panel. Release the internal cummerbund. Lift the garment over your head and pass your head through the neck opening. For maximum protection, make sure the ballistic panels fit snugly around your midsection. Secure the internal cummerbund by engaging the hook and pile closure. Wrap the external cummerbund around your waist and affix it to the front panel. On model RMV 019-07, affix the external cummerbund under the drop-down front panel. Reverse for doffing. Except for training and replacement of damaged components, there is no need to disassemble the releasable assault vest. The release handle has 3 cables attached to it: a long cable, a short cable, and a mid-length cable. Pass the mid-length cable under the front cable cover and route it toward the opposite shoulder. Pass the short and long cable under the front cable cover and route them toward the closest shoulder. Pull the long and short cables until the release handle abuts the front cable cover. With no cables visible, set the handle in position and secure it by passing the tab under the web and affixing it to the front panel. Roll the release handle and secure it to the back of the front panel. To install shoulder adjustment bells, position the bells on the front panel with the adjustment snaps up and the curve toward the wearer's neck. The curve is sewn with the cut edge of the fabric rolled inside the belt. Flip the adjustment bells onto the front cable cover. Pass the loop at the wide end through the buckle under the cable cover. Lock the adjustment bells into position by passing the short and mid-length release cables through the loop. Tuck the excess cable under the front cable cover. Slip the shoulder extensions inside the adjustment bells. Unzip the modular back panel and move it aside. Open the flap to expose the cummerbund attachment loops. Mate the front and rear panels by placing them head to head. Pass the long cable through the rear panel shoulder strap and pull it all the way through. Snap the rear panel shoulder straps to the adjusting bells. The factory setting is the second snap from the front. Engage the hook and pile closure and tuck the end of the shoulder strap into the front cable cover. The left internal cummerbund is permanently sewn to the rear panel. There are two slots on the right side of the rear panel, a large one for the external cummerbund and a smaller one for the internal cummerbund. With the hook face of the hook and pile closure facing the wearer, push the internal cummerbund through the internal cummerbund slot. Counting from the top, pass the second and fourth attachment loops through the buckles at the end of the internal cummerbund. Start with either the left or right external cummerbund. On models with zippers, the slider is on the right external cummerbund. With the molly webbing facing out, pass the external cummerbunds through the large slot in the back panel. Counting from the top, pass the first, third, and fifth attachment loops through the buckles at the end of the external cummerbund. Pass the release cable through all 5 attachment loops. Tuck the excess cable under the cummerbund. Tug on the cummerbunds to ensure attachment. And close the flap. Reinstall the modular back panel. Armor installation is the same for front and rear panels. For soft armor, release the hook and pile closure. Carrier and ballistic panel sizes must be the same. With the wear face label facing the wearer, slide the armor into the pouch. Make sure that soft armor is not creased or curled and reaches into the shoulder extensions. Re-engage the hook and pile closure. To install hard armor, disengage the hook and pile closure by peeling back the flap. Insert the hard armor with the strike face label facing out. Re-engage the hook and pile closure.